If you've ever thought about trading, or if you've already tried and felt confused, overwhelmed, or frustrated, you're not alone. Most people enter the markets with good intentions. They read articles, watch videos, follow the news, or listen to tips from friends. But very few people are taught how trading actually works beneath the surface. I'm Drew Dosek, and when I first started trading, I didn't have a clear roadmap. I didn't know which resources to trust. I didn't understand how emotions could quietly sabotage decisions. And I didn't realize how many small, avoidable mistakes could add up to big losses in the long run. Those lessons cost me tens of thousands of dollars. These are lessons I hope to teach you so you can avoid. The Trader's Core exists so you don't have to learn that way. This course was built as a true foundation for beginner and early stage traders. It's designed to give you clarity before complexity, structure before speculation, and understanding before risk. Inside the course, I will walk you through major types of trading: swing trading, day trading, and options trading, so you can understand what each one involves and decide which path fits your lifestyle and personality. We introduce technical analysis not as something intimidating, but as a practical way to understand price movement. Instead of reacting to headlines or hype, you'll learn how to read charts, identify high probability patterns, and understand measured moves and targets. Measured moves, some of my favorite. I also cover one of the most overlooked areas for new traders: choosing the right brokerage and setting up your account correctly. Many people don't realize that the wrong setup can cost them time, money, and flexibility before they ever place a trade. This is not a shortcut course, and it's not a get-rich-quick promise. Trading is a skill. Like any skill, it requires commitment and patience. But with the right foundation, you can avoid many of the mistakes that derail people early on. If you're someone who's tired of trading emotionally, if you want structure instead of guesswork, if you want to understand why you're entering and exiting trades instead of hoping for the best, then the Trader's Core was built for you. You can rewatch the modules, learn at your own pace, and even speed them up if that fits your learning style. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress, clarity, and confidence. This course is the starting point I wish I had. The Trader's Core, build your foundation the right way. Available now at verifiedinvesting.com.